birthday.
My name is Emmanuel, and I'm going to be reading Psalm 127, verse 3. Children are a gift from the Lord, they are a reward from Him.
My name is Uriel, and I'm going to be reading Proverbs verse 17, chapter 29. All your children, correct your son, and he will give you rest. Yes, he will give it life to your soul.
Thank you.
My name is Zephaniah Obadiah, and today's verse reading I'm going to be reading Proverbs 22, verse 6. Train up a child the way he should go. When he is old, he will not depart from it.